Good morning, everyone. Class 11, Subject Biology, Chapter 18 Biomolecules. Let's begin the topic transfer RNA. Transfer RNA, it is also 10 to 15% of total RNA, and molecule consists about 80 nucleotides, has molecular weights of 25,000 and help in a clover leaf shapes by hydrogen bonds between some of its nitrogenous base. At one end of the molecule, three unpaired bases form anticodon. It is synthesized in the nucleus by DNA. It is also known as soluble RNA या sRNA. It is also known as adapter RNA. Function of transfer RNA at the time of protein synthesis is act as a carrier of amino acid. Transfer RNA is a much smaller molecules and it collect amino acid from the cytoplasm for protein synthesis. Discovery tree RNA was discovered by Hogland, Zamenhof, Naik and Stephenson. Structure of tRNA. The structure of tRNA is most complicated. Showing this the figure, amino acid bind site and attach site of an amino binding या attach the sites of amino acid. 3 प्राइम है ना, A C C and ribosomal bindings loop T psi C loop या attachment loop ribosomal binding site and anticodon loop यानी रिकग्निशंस लूप है ना, बाइंड टू एंजाइम्स यानी डी आर्म enzymes amino acyl synthetase binding loop with the enzyme hydrogen bond. Next, T psi C loop attachment loop. This loop connect tRNA to the larger subunit of ribosomes. Recognitions loop anticodon लूप भी कहते हैं. दिस इज़ मोस्ट स्पेसिफिक लूप, ये एक स्पेसिफिक विशेष लूप है ऑफ टी एन ए आर एन ए एंड डिफरेंट टी आर एन ए. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ are different due to this loop. There is a specific sequence of 3 nucleotide called anticodon is at the end of this loop. On the basis of anticodon, there are total 61 types of tRNA, or we can also there are 61 types of anticodon. tRNA recognize its place on mRNA, messenger RNA, with the help of anticodon. A smaller and produce nucleus and carrier the informations of synthesis of protein. DHU loop ये बाइंड टू एंजाइम्स की तरफ DHU लूप्स होता है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज एमिनो एसाइल सिंथेटेज रिकग्निशंस लूप. दिस फंक्शंस ऑफ दिस एंजाइम्स is activate a specific type of amino acid ये क्या है, एक्टिवेटेड एमिनो एसिड The function of DHU loop is recognize this specific amino acyl synthetase. Thank you, class.